Step 1. Search for unsubscribe. Type unsubscribe in the Gmail search bar. This pulls up most marketing emails. Step 2. Create a filter. Click the down arrow in the search bar, click Create Filter. Check Skip the Inbox. Check Apply the label, create a new label called Subscriptions. Check Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Then click Create Filter. Now all your subscription emails will go straight into the subscriptions folder and out of your inbox. Step 3. Unsubscribe and clean up. Open the subscriptions folder. Gmail shows an unsubscribe button for most mailing lists, just click it. If there's no button, look for the unsubscribe link in the email. Still nothing, right-click Find Emails from this sender, select All Delete or mark as spam. Repeat this for all senders you don't want emails from. Done. No more inbox clutter, and new promo emails won't show up either. You can now treat the subscriptions folder like a place for stuff you actually want to see. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy tips. Thanks for watching.